Hi everybody, welcome to A World of Colour with Prism, the brand new range from HunkyDory Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your pearlescent powders and actually paint with them just by mixing them with a little bit of water. So a few different ways of doing this. One is to take your pearlescent powder and just scoop out a little bit of the powder, pop it on your glass mat, just like this, and then add a little bit of water to it so you can create your own paints as you go. So just a little bit of a spritz on there, and we can mix that up. You create your own consistency. If you want more water or less, less water, it's entirely up to you. So just mix that up so all your powder's actually mixed into the water, and then you can use that to paint, whether it's just to paint in an image that you've stamped, maybe you want to do some hand lettering with the paintbrush. Lots of different options. Look how rich and intense that colour is, it's just beautiful. I'm going to show you on the black as well so you can see the difference in the colour. So automatically with black you always see a little bit more of the shimmer. If you feel like it's getting a bit thick or a little bit dry there, just add a little bit more water. Again, just give it another mix, and then you can, there we go, just give it a little bit more colour onto your black there. But you can see how beautiful that paint becomes. So another way of doing this is using your powders and getting some little pots and recreating your own sort of paint palettes. So I'm just going to wipe this away so we don't end up with it everywhere. And obviously I don't recommend that because we want to use as much of that as we can, so ordinarily make sure you finish doing all your painting. So what we've done here is we've taken some little pots, we've added some of our mica into there, our pearlescent powders, and we've just topped it up with a little bit of water. What that does, you can see looking at there, all the mica is all settled on the bottom, so as soon as we give that little bit of a mix, all that mica comes back up to the surface. And what we can do is, if you have some little pots that you can reseal, you can just go back to these whenever you need to. Look how amazing that sapphire is on the black card. It is gorgeous, so beautiful. I'll show you again on the white as well. Intense, rich, beautiful colours. Obviously with that beautiful sparkling shimmer as well when they dry. So this way you can add the water, again get the consistency how you want it. So don't worry, it's always easy to maybe put a little bit more water in than you think you're going to need, because then you can always add a little bit more mica if you need it. But you can then, pop these into little tubs with a lid, you can seal them up, and then you've got that little palette that you can always go to, and you've just got the paints ready to go whenever you need them. So that's just another fabulous way of using your pearlescent powders. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see what you get up to with yours.